Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand a Markdown format. Markdown format uses text codes to indicate divisions of content, visual decorations, embedded objects like images, which is different from markup languages that use tags. All the headings in a Markdown format starts with hash. Bold text surrounded by double asterisks and italic text surrounded by single asterisk. Links use a formula where it includes the link address as well as the display text. All the list starts with dashes or asterisks. We can use any text editor to work with Markdown format, but retext text editor makes it easy with a live preview. People use this Markdown format for creating websites, documents, notes, books, presentations, email messages, and the technical documentation. What are the benefits of using Markdown format? Simplicity. It's very simple by nature and doesn't have too much of syntax to remember. Features. It has more advanced features like footnotes. Platform support. So this Markdown format is supported in all text editors and the content management systems where we type Markdown directly into a web page. One of the real-time examples that we have is the README file that we include on our Git repositories, where the file name is like readme.md. The file extension .md stands for Markdown. Here is the link for the Markdown syntax, which can be referred to understand how we can write different types of data on a Markdown file. Overall, Markdown format uses text codes instead of tags to format documents. Now, let's take a look at a simple Markdown document to understand it better. Here is the sample Markdown file where we have included different levels of heading. Heading level 1 starts with single hash, heading level 2 with the 2 hashes, and so on. Here is the paragraph where we have included some bold and italic text. We have the list here, the ordered list and unordered list. We also have included a link where we have specified the display text and then the link URL, and also included an image where we have included the display text as well as the URL to the image. By the way, browsers cannot interpret the content of a Markdown document, so it displays the content as is on the browser. If you are using a VS Code editor, we have an option to properly view the content by using the preview option available for Markdown files. Similar to markup format, the text codes used for formatting are not going to be displayed in the preview. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.